Aakar, being true to its meaning, is about creating opportunity for young generation to save their future, reach their maximum potential, and protect lives of their loved ones.
I'm Jay Gaja, Production Manager, Johnson Screens. Here I'm going to present the Aakar team.
We want to develop our own welders who are capable of giving shape to our products.
My name is Mr. Danjibai Hingda. Since the inception of Aakar Institute, I have been appointed as an instructor.
We teach various types of advanced welding processes like GTAW and GMAW. The students go through a well-designed syllabus over 6 months, which exposes them to all fabrication methods, including TIG and MIG welding.
So this is all about Aakar. Here I got an opportunity to get trained on advanced machines of GTAW and GMAW. My name is Aman Ali Luhar. I got the knowledge of how to use advanced technology and tools here.
TIG and MIG welding is Aakar Institute.
Theory and practical both are covered in same.
We learned measurements here, how to start off, etc. My name is Desai Manu. I started as a bus driver in Johnson Screens. I got an opportunity from company to join Aakar Institute. They helped me progress and get benefits by developing new skills. At the end of the course, young members became skilled welders, capable of giving shape to the products
And their future.